Good evening, ma'am. My name is Swati Yadav and my roll number is 5535 and my assignment topic is method of contour which in 1932 contour which proposed a generalization of raised method. In present method, the integration of partial differential equation reduces to the integration of a system of ordinary differential equations. In the application of Riesz formula to the problem, IU equals to double integration over R fxy u bar ux y by dx dy equals to minimum. We consider the approximate solution in the form un equals to summation k1 to n a k phi k xy, where the function phi k xy satisfy the same boundary conditions as those imposed on the exact solution uxy and ak are constant. Then determine the coefficient ak so as to minimize iun. In the method of contour which the ak in second are no longer constant but are unknown function of x such that the product ak of x phi k xy satisfy the same boundary conditions as uxy. This led to minimize iun equals to I summation k1 to n ak of x phi k xy. Since the function phi k xy are known functions, we can perform integration with respect to y in first and then obtain a functional of the type iun equals to integration over x0 to x1 f of akx x dx. Contour which proposed to determine the function akx so that they minimize the functional. It is clear that akx can be determined by solving the second order differential equations fak minus d upon dx fak equals to 0. Once ak of x are determined from fifth, an approximate solution is known. Now application of contour which method to the torsional problem. The torsion boundary value problem is del square psi equals to 2 in R and psi equals to 0 on C. C being the boundary of R, where R is the rectangle mod x less than a and mod y less than b. The variational problem associated with this boundary value problem is I of psi equals to double integration over I psi x square plus psi y square minus 4 psi dx dy equals to minimum. And x approximate to its solution is psi 1 equals to a1x y square minus b square with phi 1 xy equals to y square minus b square, where phi 1 xy vanishes on the part y equals to plus minus r of the boundary C, in order that a1 of x y square minus b square equals to 0 on C. We shall determine a1x such that a1 of a equals to a1 of minus a equals to 0. Inserting the value of psi from third into second, we get integration over minus a to a 2 a1 dash square into b raised to power 5 upon 5 plus b raised to power 5 upon 1 minus 2b raised to power 5 upon 3 plus 4a1 square into 2b raised to power 3 upon 3 minus 8a1 b raised to power 3 upon 3 minus b raised to power dash 3 dx. Here f d1 a1 dash x equals to 8 upon 5 b square a1 dash square plus 4a1 square plus 8a1, where f1 equals to 8a1 plus 8 and f1 dash equals to 16 by 5b square 1. Euler's equation becomes 8a1 plus 8 minus d upon dx of 16 upon 5b square a1 dash is equal to 0. a1 double dash x minus 5 by 2b square a1 x minus 5 by 2b square equals to 0. Its solution is a1 of x equals to c1 cos hyperbolic kx by b plus c2 sin hyperbolic kx by b equals to minus 1, where k equals to under root 5 by 2. The function a1 of x must be an even function. Therefore, c2 equals to 0. Putting a1 of a equals to 0, we get c1 equals to 1 upon cos hyperbolic of kx upon b. Thus, we find psi1 equals to a square y square minus b square into cos hyperbolic kx upon bx upon cos a into k1 ka by b minus 1 as an approximate solution obtained by Kantorowicz method. Thank you.